Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how to clone YouTube customization drag and drop feature using React.js, and this is our project. For simplicity, I created a new React project called drag and drop. First of all, I have to install all the necessary dependencies for drag and drop. npm I add DND Kit core, then DND Kit utilities. And DND Kit sortable. Now I am creating a components folder. Inside the components folder, I am creating a component named playlist. In the src folder, I am creating another file named data.json, and I am pasting some data. You will find the data in the description box. I am importing the playlist component in the app.jsx. Now I am running the app. My app is run. For better understanding, I am putting the browser side of VS Code. I will complete the tutorial in 2 steps. First, I will design the card with Tailwind CSS. In the card, I need 3 things. First, title. I am adding a static name for title. I am adding a border and some fading. Second, icon. I am pasting a SVG icon here. This is my icon. I have to decrease the icon size with 30 pixel. Third, videos. But I am adding some image as a video thumbnail. I need to decrease the image size also with 70 pixel. Height 50 pixel. The icon and the image, it will flex. And the items center. I'm adding a static video time for now. 8 minutes 10 seconds. Position will relative. Position will absolute here. Right 2. Bottom 1. Background color will black. Text color will white. Fading axis is 1. I'm copying the image 5 times and changing the image URL. I have to add a gap in every image. Flex. Gap 2. MS2. I have to add a static width for the card with 600 pixel. empty 10, it means 2.5 rem. The drag icon cursor will be grabbed Our second step is implementing the functionality. First of all, I am import the data from data.json. Const playlist set playlist use state to data from data.json. Let me check if the data is getting or not. We are getting the data correctly. I will create a function called onDragged. Parameter will means event. I have to destructure dragged item and the targeted item from event. Active, it is drag item. And over, it is targeted item. I have to update the playlist hook with old index and a new index. Const old index playlist.findIndex, it will a error function. Playlist.id is equal to drag item.id. I am copying it and updating the name. OnDragged function return an array function. Make sure it is imported from DND Kit sortable. The parameter will playlist, means array, old index and a new index. My function is also completed. I have to wrap the drag and drop container with DND context and a list of item with sortable context. Now I will map my array to get all the data. Playlist.map. I am giving a parameter playlist, calling my playlist component and passing the playlist parameter as a props. I need to pass two props on the DND context component. First, onDragged, it will my onDragged function. Second, collision detection, it will closest center. And the two props on the sortable context. First, strategy, it will vertically sorting strategy. Second, items, it is my array and its playlist. My data is showing properly, but it is not work. I'm adding a unique key, it will playlist.id. Parameter is playlist. I'm destructuring some props. From use sortable. Make sure it is imported from DND Kit sortable. I have to pass a unique ID here. ID playlist.id. Transform transition set node ref. Attributes and a listener. I'm creating a style variable for styling when anything is dragged. Transition transform CSS. Make sure the CSS is imported from DND Kit utilities. Transform to string transform. I'm calling the style variable on the container of the items. And I will pass the another property on the drag button. Let me check the functionality is work or not. My popular videos are at the top. Now I'm dragging and dropping it at the down. And I'm moving the videos playlist at the top. I also drag and drop single playlist from its place. And then the short video playlist dragging to top. Thanks for watching. If the video helpful for you, please subscribe the channel.